Welcome back to Autoscope, a 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE Motorhome's bodywork. Base vehicle, only modest changes will be made to the GLE's unique aerodynamic design in order to maintain the SUV's sporty and elegant appearance. Panoramic windows. The cabin should have huge windows and possibly a panoramic sunroof to take in the surrounding vistas and create a feeling of vastness. External storage. The rear or sides of the vehicle have handy built-in storage for a small tent, outdoor gear, and other goods. Layout and interior design. Ergonomic seats to blend in with the living area. The front passenger and driver seats can be rotated 180 degrees. Distronic Plus, active steering assist, a 360-degree camera, and the entire line of Mercedes-Benz advanced safety and driving assistance ADAS systems are examples of driving support systems. For potential converted sleepers, the main bed may be converted into a sofa seat area or a clever fold-out bed. Kitchen, fold-out sink, portable or single induction burner, energy-efficient small-capacity refrigerator freezer. Intelligent storage drawers and cabinets designed to maximize the space available for keeping food and cooking. Utensils. Ambient lighting. Use adjustable ambient LED lighting to create a warm atmosphere. Usage of premium materials such as exquisite linens, Napa leather, aluminum accents, and real wood veneers. Simple, modern design with a touch of refinement. Performance and engines. A range of potent and effective gasoline, diesel, or plug-in hybrid PHEV engines could be available for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system will provide stability and mild off-road performance in a variety of driving situations. Adaptive air suspension, or Airmatic, provides the most comfortable ride and leveling of the vehicle when parked. Advanced energy systems. Perhaps in addition to a high-capacity lithium-ion battery for self-powered electricity, the roof is equipped with flexible solar panels. An inverter powers air conditioning equipment.